Sure, here's a scrambled-style YouTube video review script for the 5-blade H145 helicopter 2025. Written naturally without section headings. Have you ever wondered what happens when cutting-edge engineering meets luxury aviation? The 2025 model of the 5-blade H145 helicopter is not just an upgrade, it's a revolution in the sky. From the moment you lay eyes on it, the aircraft screams innovation with its aerodynamic silhouette and the ultra-modern design. The 5-blade rotor system isn't just about aesthetics. It delivers reduced vibration, smoother flight, and better payload performance. Step inside and you're greeted with an interior that feels more like a private jet than a helicopter. Leather finishes, noise insulation, digital cockpit, and customizable layout, it's all here. The cockpit features the Helionix avionics suite, which offers unparalleled situational awareness, intuitive controls, and reduced pilot workload. Safety is clearly a top priority with systems that assist in both normal and emergency operations. Now let's talk about the performance. The 145-2025 boasts twin engines capable of delivering incredible power with exceptional fuel efficiency. It can operate in high and hot conditions, perfect for a wide range of missions from emergency medical services and law enforcement to executive transport. The improved rotor system increases lift and efficiency, giving it greater range and payload capacity. One of the standout features is the near-silent cabin experience. Thanks to vibration dampening and a more efficient rotor design, passengers can actually have a conversation in flight without shouting. From a pilot's point of view, the handling feels sharp, responsive, and stable even in turbulent conditions. On the ground, the new glossy finish, especially in black, gives the helicopter an ultra-premium look. Parked inside a luxury space, like a high-end shopping mall display, the helicopter looks more like a piece of art than a functional machine. So, is it worth the hype? If you're looking for a helicopter that blends technology, safety, comfort, and pure visual appeal, the 2025 H145 sets a new standard. Whether you're flying or reading in it, the experience feels nothing short of next generation. Let me know if you'd like a version with voiceover pacing, music cues, or subtitles format.